Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been absolutely forever since I've posted, but I got my Jeffree mystery box in the mail, and I thought that I would just do a quick little unboxing for you, and then hopefully Wednesday I will have like a full swatching and try-on haul. But I did order the Big Daddy Deluxe one. It got here Thursday, and I've already opened it, but I thought I'd show you what I got. So, of course, there's all the orange paper in it. And then everyone got the same black t-shirt. It has the logo on the front, and on the back it just says, "Hi, how are ya?" In the very neon yellow or green, I can't tell. The lip scrub, I was really surprised to see that I got the pumpkin pie one. I hadn't seen anybody's box before I got mine that had gotten this. I think everyone else got like peach popsicle, and there was some other thing, but I hadn't seen anybody else get this one, so I thought other things would be different, but I did end up with a selection of other things that everyone else had. I got the androgyny lip pencil, and again, I'll be swatching and trying these all on in a different video, so go ahead and subscribe to see that one if you haven't already. The pop socket, we all knew that was going to be in here because every other mystery box has had a pop socket. I got an orange one. Kind of wish I would have got a green one, but it matches the box, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised. And then for the lipsticks, there were 4 of them. There was Poinsettia, of course the mystery one that I'm sure everyone has seen already. And then I got Mannequin and Diva. I already have Diva, so this will probably end up in my next giveaway that I do. So stay tuned for that. Not sure when I'm going to do it yet. And then I got Hypothermia for my Supreme Frost. I don't own any of the Supreme Frost, so I'm pretty excited about this. And then this cute little pink metal straw. So yeah, pretty much the same as what everyone else is getting for everything. Sorry, my finger got in the way of the camera. Except for this lip scrub. Let me know if anybody has seen somebody else get this, but whenever I was watching videos before I got my box, I hadn't seen anybody get this one so far. I believe it's from maybe last Christmas collection, or maybe the one before that. I'm not mad at it. I like pumpkin, and fall's coming up anyways, so I'll definitely use it. Just kind of bummed out about having the repeat of Diva, but like I said, I'll just get to give it away to one of you guys now. So yeah, make sure to tune in probably Wednesday for the try-on and swatching of everything. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I've been gone so much lately, and I hope you enjoyed.